यहाँ पर देखने के लिए जा रहे हैं विजन स्मार्ट एमसीक्यू टॉपिक है जो करंट अफेयर में रहता है। इकोनॉमिक करंट अफेयर 2023 मार्च का है ये। तो इसमें कह रहा है, पहला क्वेश्चन कर रहा है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज आर कंसिडर एज द प्राइमरी मार्केट ट्रांजेक्शन। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर कंसिडर एज ए प्राइमरी मार्केट ट्रांजेक्शन। तो वन में दिया है इस राइट्स इशू, दो में दिया है प्राइवेट प्लेसमेंट, तीन में दिया है इनिशियल पब्लिक ऑफरिंग। कह रहा है कौन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर करेक्ट सेलेक्ट। तो तीनों तीनों आर द प्राइमरी एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द प्राइमरी मार्केट ट्रांजेक्शन है। तो यहाँ पर आपका आंसर होगा डी होगा। डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज question number 2, asking that consider the following a statement regarding the index provider in India. Index provider in India related, this is topic question coming. Question 1 telling that index provider is a specialized firm that is dedicated to creating and calculating market index. Index providers offering index for use in India will be required to register with the CB, not the RBI. So second statement is incorrect. First is the correct. Second is incorrect. First is correct. Here, so the answer is A is the correct answer. Next question is question number 3, asking that which of the following are the main objective of the direct benefit transfer. Which of the following are the main objective of the direct benefit transfer. कौन कौन सा ऑब्जेक्टिव है बेनिफिट डायरेक्ट बेनिफिट का। तो पहला है रिड्यूस डिले इन पेमेंट, दूसरा में एक्यूरेट टारगेटिंग ऑफ बेनिफिशियरी, और तीसरा में कर रहा है मैक्सिमाइजिंग द लेवल ऑफ इन्वॉल्व इन बेनिफिट फ्लो, एंड चौथा में है इम्प्रूविंग डिजिटल लिटरेसी. We should keep in mind here main objective asking. So the 1 and 2 is the main objective, and 3 and 4th you can say significance, or you can say benefit, we can say, but not objective. Objective is 1 and 2 is the objective. So correct answer here is the 1 and 2, A is the correct answer. Next question is question number 4, asking that consider the following statement regarding the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Here related to Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, question is make, and the scheme does not address the urban housing shortage among the middle income group. No, that is a middle income group is also addressed. So here the first is become incorrect. Second is telling that a scheme does not cover certain urban areas such as notify planning area. No, this is incorrect. The plan also, a scheme also cover the urban areas such as notify plan area. So second is also incorrect. First is also incorrect and second is also incorrect. Next is third is telling that it is the implemented by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Yes, it is very correct. It is implemented by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. So here is the C is the correct answer. 3 only is the correct answer. Next question, question number 4, asking that consider the following statement regarding the special purpose vehicle created for the implementation of the smart city mission. स्मार्ट सिटी मिशन के लिए जो स्पेशल पर्पस व्हीकल है उससे रिलेटेड, ठीक है ना, यहाँ पर दिया है आपका। तो यहाँ पर दिया तो इससे रिलेटेड इसको देखते हैं। कह रहा है पहला क्या कह रहा है, पहला कह रहा है आपका स्पेशल पर्पस व्हीकल आर इनकॉर्पोरेटेड अंडर द कंपनी एक्ट 2030. यस, दिस इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट कह रहा प्राइवेट सेक्टर इज प्रोहिबिटेड फ्रॉम टेकिंग एन इक्विटी stake in the SPV. No, it is not prohibited, it is allowed. So the second is incorrect. SPV encourage the decentralization of the power of the local government as provided under the 74th Amendment Act 1992. No, this is a discourage, not encourage. This go against the decentralization power of the local government. So third is also incorrect. So second and third is incorrect. First is correct. So here is the answer. C is the become the answer. C become answer. Next question is question number 6, asking that with reference to the e-commerce in India, consider the following statement. यहाँ पर ई कॉमर्स से दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन, करा ई कॉमर्स इंटिटी बेस्ड ऑन द इन्वेंट्री मॉडल इज नॉट अलाउड टू एक्सरसाइज ऑनरशिप ओवर द इन्वेंट्री टू बी सोल्ड, here is allow, here is given not, so this is incorrect. Next question is telling that next question is telling that marketplace model of e-commerce allow online retailer to own inventory and directly sell to the consumer. This is also incorrect. This is given the inventory model वाला स्टेटमेंट दे दिया है मार्केट प्लेस मॉडल में, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट. यहाँ कर एफडीआई इज नॉट परमिटेड इन द मार्केट प्लेस बेस मॉडल ऑफ द ई कॉमर्स, दिस इज ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट. here is the have permitted, FDI is also permitted in the marketplace based model of the e-commerce. so थ्री स्टेटमेंट 1 2 3 3 गलत है. यहाँ पर पूछ रहा है विच ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट गिवन वो बार नॉट करेक्ट पूछ रहा है, तो यहाँ पर तीनों करेक्ट इनकरेक्ट है, नॉट करेक्ट है, तो यहाँ पर डी होगा. डी इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग दैट consider the following statement regarding the Central Drug Standard Control Organization. Central, here the question is Central Drug Standard Control Organization. It is a statutory body constituted under the provision of the Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940. Yes, this is correct. One of its main function is to approve new drugs and clinical trial. This is also correct. And third is the CDSCO works under the Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer. No, this is not work under the Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizer. It is work under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So third is incorrect. So correct answer is 1. 1 and 2 means A is the correct answer. Next question is question number 8, asking that consider the following statement regarding the Primary Agriculture Credit Society. Consider the following statement regarding the Primary Agriculture Credit Society. Here they given that they constitute the lowest tier of the long-term cooperative credit structure in the country. Here is not a long term, here is the short term. So this statement become incorrect. Next question is they are outside the purview of the Banking Regulation Act 1949 and are not regulated by the RBI. Yes, this is correct. Second statement is very correct. So here is the only B is the correct. B is the correct. B answer is correct. Next question, question number 9, asking that consider the following statement regarding the various initiative taken by the government for stabilizing the price of vegetable. वेजिटेबल को वेजिटेबल को स्टेबलाइज करने के लिए क्या क्या इसने इनिशिएटिव लिया. पहला करा है ऑपरेशन ग्रीन एड्रेस प्राइस वोलेटिलिटी ऑफ द ऑल फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल. यस, दिस इज करेक्ट. एग्रीकल्चर मार्केटिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इनिशिएटिव help farmer to avoid this stress. This is also correct. This is also correct. So third is telling that under price stabilization fund, working capital is provided to a state agency to undertake market intervention operation. This is also correct. So three correct. So A is the correct answer. With reference to the vehicle scrappage policy 2021, consider the following statement. It aimed to create an ecosystem for phasing out unfit vehicle. Yes, this is correct. It provides mandatory fitness tests for the private vehicle older than 20 years. This is also correct. It was launched by the Ministry of Road and Transport and Highway. This is also correct. So three statement are correct. So here is the D is the correct answer. Last question here is the 11 question asking that consider the following statement regarding the infrastructure finance company in India. Here is telling that it is a non-deposit accepting loan company that have a minimum of 75% of the total asset of the company deploy as infrastructure loan. It should have minimum net worth of the rupee rupee 300 crore, not the 30,000 crore. Here's 300 crore. This statement becomes so incorrect. Next is telling that the status of IFC, the status of IFC to a company can be granted to an institution by the RBI. So this is a correct. So here correct answer become C. C is the correct answer as we have seen. First is second is incorrect. So 1 and 3 is correct. So C is the correct answer.